All right, guys, this is Jamie Lewis, and I'm going to show you how you can use the Guru Destroyer Marketplace to make a whole boatload of money, whether you're an affiliate marketer, you want to sell domains, you want to sell websites, you might even have a service like you do writing or you create ebooks for people, etc. So I'm going to show you the very basics. We're going to start with how to create your profile, and then we'll move on to some other basics. This isn't the, hey, let's get into how to write your listing and copywriting and all that. I'll save that for a separate video. These are just the basics so you can do your first listing, and I think you'll get the drift from this video, all right? All right, cool. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, log in, and then you can locate the marketplace up here in the navigation, right? Home, marketplace, DFY toolbox, etc. So we're going to click on marketplace, and it's going to look like this, right? We redid the marketplace, of course, for the launch that's coming up in a week, and there's 3 listings so far. There's going to be many, many more, but you get the drift. There's going to be more people in here than there are listings, so you kind of know what to do, right? You're going to want to put up your links, your domains, etc., because there's going to be plenty of people, depending on the description, which this is where the money is. We got to get into that in a bit. You'll be able to make some sales, okay? So let's click on my profile first. All right, so as you can see, I uploaded a picture of myself and then about Jamie Lewis. Now, with me, I'm just goofing off a little bit just for this tutorial. I'm going to get into that right now and what you guys should do to make sure that you can maximize your experience. So what you're going to do is click on this button here. On my browser, it's not showing. You could see that right there, edit profile. Now, first name, last name, it's up to you what you want to say here. Everything in here, I've made sure that no matter if you're editing your profile or you're buying and selling or whatever you're doing, that nothing is going to tell you, oh, you need to have this there or anything like that. You know, when you do a listing, it also asks you, hey, what's your domain name? What's your this? What's your that? And you don't really need to you can do whatever you want pretty much. You could say, hey, my name is Batman if you want. I would recommend just be truthful as possible. Be honest, transparent, and be professional, okay? Remember that word, professional, so that people respect you and they listen to you and they trust you and they buy from you, okay? All right, so depending on what you are going to be selling, some people are domainers, some people are affiliate marketers. You're going to want to say that. So let's start with the affiliate marketing thing, because I know a lot of people, they've been trying to do ClickBank marketing. They got their ClickBank affiliate link. They want to make money and advertise it. This is a great place to do that. So say, for instance, I was only going to be doing affiliate marketing. Instead of saying, hello there, I'm a guru, but a Robin Hood type guru, I would probably want to say, hello there. I am an experienced affiliate marketer who does honest reviews of products and compiles awesome bonuses. If you want to know what's hot or not, I'm your guy. All right, now look, here's an example. Don't copy this exactly, because of course we don't want everyone to be saying this. So you know what to do, all right? We don't want to have to clean up your description. Be creative as possible. But as an example, check out what I did here, okay? People love affiliate marketers who give value, all right? You probably saw on the front page where I gave that example and I talked about my student Daniel, you know, my friend Daniel, who he just didn't get it at first. You know, he was just begging people for, you know, hey, click on my link and buy this, please. That doesn't work. What does work though is where you're giving value and you're doing a service, a free service for people actually, which is, hey guys, I checked out this product, and you know, I looked at not only the sales page, but I looked at the product, and you know, I'd like to give you information, my analysis on what I found out about this product. And then also, I want to give you a bonus if you get it through my link. Okay? So those two things are very, very important. You want to, number one, check out what you're selling and know what you're talking about. If you know what you're talking about, that is the first step. There's 2 steps, and that's it. The first step is, you know, this product is like this. Here are the pros, here are the cons, etc. Right? And then you're going to explain, hey, I've got these cool bonuses. If you buy it through my link, you can email me and I'll give you some more advice, you know, as you're going down the road with it. You know what I mean? So those are really, really, really good necessities for why someone would buy through your link opposed to someone else's link, right? So, you know, I don't know if I need to put that here. I'll save that for someone. You guys can kind of take these types of, you know. But of course, everyone in here, in Guru Destroyer, is going to be watching this video. So do something totally different. That's my best advice. Because if you copy this, no one will buy through you because everybody's seen that video, if that makes sense. All right? Yeah, if you want to know what's hot or not, I'm your guy. So that's the basic gist. Now, if you're a domainer, you'd be like, you know, hello there. I've got amazing domains. Now, I'll tell you a little bit more about that. We'll do a separate video on just domaining. But that's the main idea. The description in your profile is pretty important. Now, of course, when you go to sell with through an affiliate link or a service or a domain or a website or whatever you're selling, then you're going to want to do a new description for everything that you sell, right? It's not hard to do. It's just very, very, very important. You don't want to ever post something and just be like, hey, yeah, this is for sale, or, you know, you need to sell. Like, it's giving you this chance to do that. For instance, if you're going to sell a domain on GoDaddy Premiums, on GoDaddy Premiums, there's no description explaining the appraisal of the domain, what's great about it, similar domains, you know, like something for people to compare it to. But here, there is. So you can kind of kick off the listing, advertise the listing with information that'll really help people make an informed decision and buy it from you. You know what I mean? All right, cool. So the next thing that you could do after you've done put in your name, your email, your website, etc., click on upload right here and give it a picture. All right? Upload your picture. If this would give me the chance to do that. I think my hard drives are filling up. All right, so anyway, you know, I guess I have all sorts of funny pictures or whatever. I won't get into too many of them. Cooking, cowboy. But anyway, yeah, I guess I'll keep my Batman picture. All you would have to do is click on upload and then click on save profile. Okay? All right, so that's pretty much how to do a profile. It's pretty easy. And then you will, let's go back to the marketplace and look at it from this position. Let's click on sell. All right, so click on sell. You list your affiliate link or your domain or whatever like that, and then it's going to show up in this main marketplace page, right? So for instance, this guy, animationvideosforbusiness.com, pretty cool. Price, $397. What is it? It's a website. He's selling a website. Cool. And then he's selling a domain and then a domain here. All right. So let's click on view listing. Oh, bam. He's selling it on eBay. So as you can see, when he went to create a listing, he put in his eBay URL right here, eBay item, and then there it is. So someone can buy it off of eBay, and he would make you know, the money will come in through PayPal, boom, 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 right, etc. So yeah, it's pretty much, that's the end result. Okay, so let's click on sell. And here we go. You have 3 listings left. And listing type. Do we want to sell a domain, a website, an affiliate offer, or a service? Okay, let's click on affiliate offer. And then the description is so important. Hey guys, I look at a lot of affiliate products in the internet marketing industry, and this one is ideal for marketers and stay-at-home parents alike. It gives you the ability, and go crazy with this, all right? A whole entire paragraph for this, okay? And then listing URL, very, very important, okay? Here you would post your affiliate link, okay? Now that's the cool thing is, if you were to go to Facebook and list your affiliate link, you're going to get kicked off, or, it's going to be bad news for you, right? Same thing with anywhere, most places, forums, etc. So here, just let me drive everybody into this marketplace and you guys do the rest. You have fun selling and, put the price, the listing URL, and then, I'll just put my, just for, you would put your affiliate link, which is like a ClickBank affiliate link would be like, I'll put my wife's nickname here. Crypto girl dot, I don't know a vendor nick off the top of my head. But that's the ClickBank hop link. That's what it usually looks like, right? Affiliate nickname, vendor nickname, and then .hop.clickbank.net. Okay, that's so you would switch this to a vendor nickname. I guess I'll just go to ClickBank real quick and I'll show you what I mean. Affiliate marketplace, right? Click on affiliate marketplace, go to business. Let's click on this for, to make things quick. Promote FX trendy, right? So you see that, how I grabbed that? Look, wait. Look, see this? Once you click on this promote, this comes up and you can see the nickname right there. Now, you can, of course, this says this vendor requires affiliates to be pre-approved. Let's see if we can find something else. Oh, wow. Maybe ClickBank's doing that. EA Builder. All right. Request approval from the vendor. So you guys got to do that here if you're going to use this. Ooh, all right. I clicked on one here, bots live trading room, and this one doesn't require you to get approved. So I'll put that there. Online Pro 7, right? Let's go back here and bam. Let's just go like that. One way you can look at the domain name is you can go like this. And binary option trading signals.com. Why is this? I hope this is legit. If it's on ClickBank, I would think it is. The binary stuff is the worst stuff, but if it's on ClickBank, it must be legit. All right, let's take a look. Boom. All right, so this field is required. How much is it? $1,000, I think. It's just an example, guys. I don't even know if I'm going to keep that there. All right, so let's take a look. Boom. Hey, guys, I look at a lot of products here. There it is, right there. So as you can see there, right, you're not going to be able to, you don't click on this. This is not clickable. But what you can do is click on this or view listing. Boom, it's going to the, did you see that? Look at that. It went to this website and her affiliate link is there. So if someone buys it from the marketplace, she would get the commission, right? Wow. That's interesting. Well, it does look legit. It's a development room. Interesting. All right. So yeah, those are the basics of the marketplace. I think that's good for this video. And get to it, post your offers, and make some money. And follow the next video because we're going to be going over some more tactics. We're going to get a little bit more advanced. All right? Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.